Most commercial website must have a contact page. A page for receiving inquiries from customers. Let me introduce how to make it. Current page is a default contact us page of the current theme. I don't use it, but let me create a new page and show you in detail how to build contact page from scratch. Opens the current contact us page with Elementor. You can create a new section from scratch as I showed you before, but this time, I'll show you how to copy and paste an existing section. Select the entire section containing the Contact Us form. Select the Save as Template menu from the right-click menu. Name the template and save it. You can see it at the top. Go to the newly created page. Click the folder icon. It is the Add Template menu. Go to My Template tab. Insert the Contact Us template we created. You must select No, to avoid breaking the structure of the current page. Please also check the front-end website. The left column of this section is a general component. The right side has shortcodes field. As you can see, Wpforms plugin's shortcode has been added. Let's edit the left column. In the left column, you can add general Elementor components or other things. Let me change the title. Go to the Styles tab and change the font to Cond. Set the font size to 60 pixels. Let me change the color of the text above to 808080. Let me change the font size to 1.2 em. Changes the description text color to 808080. Font family is set as Varda. Delete the icons and contacts. Let me replace them to social icons. Align it to the left. Check it on the front-end website. Many websites used Google Maps at the top. But Google Maps policy has changed to you have to register developer account. Otherwise it shows nothing. So let me delete it. It looks much better than the previous one. Let's edit the right side contact form column. When visitors enter a message here and click the Submit button, it sends an email to the site administrator. Unfortunately, all WordPress themes don't have this function. So we need to install a plugin for that. The most popular plugins are Contact Form7, Wpforms and Everest. You can use these plugins anything you like. If Wpforms plugin has a problem on your website, remove it and install Contact Form7 or Everest. Go to the Wpforms plugin menu. There is currently one registered form called Contact. Copy the shortcode of the form, and paste it into Elementor. The form is rendered. Select Duplicate to copy the form. Click the Edit button to change the form. Let's change the shortcode to the newly created form. Select the form field and edit it on the left. Please check after changing the label. It would be better to change the format to simple. Add a description. Change the required field settings. Required fields are fields that must be entered. The Advanced tab allows you to set the input field size and other options. There are option hide or show labels and sublabels. We can add a CSS classes. This is a useful option to fix if something goes wrong with the display. You can edit the settings of the rest of the fields in the same way. Next option is button. Set the button text, or other options, including when the button is pressed. Notification is where you set the destination or content to receive mail. By default, the target is the admin email set up in WordPress. Confirmation is where you set the message to be displayed after sending the message. Let's add some content. Register a test message. Click Send Message. It shows the alert message I set. Let's create a few more messages. I sent a few messages. Check the mail. If you can't receive the mail, as you can see, please check spam as well. But there is a big problem, that some emails are missing all the times. As far as I am tested, I received only 20 to 40% of email. In the next video, let me show you how to solve this missing email problem. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.